Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your carrier supports an ESIM for the Galaxy Watch 4. That matters because activation is carrier-driven. Once you've updated both devices and enabled Bluetooth and data, open the Galaxy Wearable app and pair the watch. Make sure you're signed into your Samsung account. Next, tap the watch card, then go straight to the mobile plans section to start adding the ESIM. This is the first actionable step to trigger carrier provisioning. Now you'll add the plan inside the wearable app. Navigate to Connections, then Mobile Plans, and choose Add Mobile Plan. Select your carrier from the list. Many carriers supply a QR code or activation code. Scan or type it in exactly. You'll accept carrier terms and grant any permissions. Keep the phone on a stable internet connection while the carrier provisions the ESIM. This step hands control to the carrier. The watch will download the ESIM profile and show progress in the app. Finish by verifying the mobile indicator and carrier name on the watch, then place a test call or use mobile data to confirm service. If activation stalls, restart both devices and repeat the Add Mobile Plan flow. Sometimes a retry completes provisioning. If you still have issues, make sure location is enabled on the phone, clear the Galaxy Wearable app cache, and repair the watch. If the ESIM still won't activate, contact your carrier with the watch's IMEI and activation code for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.